During the first part of your checkup, we will look to see if sealants will be helpful for you. Sealants are protection for your teeth. Sealant is made from a plastic-like material and is painted on the chewing surfaces of your teeth to protect them from cavities. If your dentist decides that sealants would help protect your teeth, they will either decide to place the sealant on the first visit or schedule a follow-up. You've probably seen others wearing a mouthguard during a game of football, basketball, or hockey. If you play sports, or if you're just worried about injuring or knocking out your teeth, you can ask your dentist about a custom-made mouthguard. A mouthguard will protect your teeth, lips, gums, and cheeks from injury. A mouthguard is simple to make, and it can be the difference between keeping your smile and repairing or replacing a broken tooth. If you have any additional questions, please consult your dentist.